You ever have those days where you're just running and running and you have a window where you have a small moment and you think, okay, I'm good, I have time, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh shoot, I don't have time? That's me right now. Alright, so today is a very rainy, cold day here in Charlotte. They are calling for a winter storm, so we're supposed to get some snow. So if you don't live in the South, basically if there's a snowstorm or just any kind of glimmer of snow, the whole city, the whole state shuts down. So that's what's going on. What's today? Today is Saturday, December 8th. I went to the mall this morning before work because I had to return some stuff. And then I had to, what did I do? I went to Harris Teeter, not because I needed bread or milk. I don't drink milk and I don't really eat bread like that, but I needed some fruit for my NutriBullet. That was one of my gifts for my bridal shower, which I love. My bridal shower was so fun. I had a bomb time, but it was just madness in there. People literally lose their minds and manners whenever there's snow here. So did that, went to Earth Fair, got me some wine because if I'm going to be stuck inside, I need to make sure I have my Moscato. And then right now I'm meeting Murillo's mom, Marcia, at his godmom's house because we're going to go do the floor plan for the venue, and I'm running a little bit behind, but that's okay, that's okay. So they're going to come do that with me. I will bring you guys along the way. I'll let you see the venue and, you know, talk about our plans and how we are going to set up all of our stuff on the big day. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I've got on that new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I didn't get the other one just simply because I was like, oh, okay, whatever, it's just a gloss, you know, it's a universal gloss. This one, I'm in love with glosses. That's my thing right now. So when I saw this shade, I was kind of like, okay, cool. And it's supposed to be like a, I don't know, a neutral pink. No matter what your skin tone is, this is a universal as well. It feels really, really good on the lips, and I love the smell. Like, some lip glosses can be sticky, or some lip glosses can even make your lips feel more dried out because they have like a lot of slip on them. This feels really, really comfortable, so I'm happy I got it. All right, I gotta go. See you. Okay, so here's the front door. I will come out this way. And so basically how everything's going to be set up, this isn't the table setup, but the tables will be on the outside here, and then we'll have the runway here all the way down. And then we'll have the ceremony here, right up here at the front. And then when you turn this way, the guest will be on the outside over here, outside over here. Then after the ceremony, we'll have our table. So the bridal party will be sitting right here in the front. So we'll have two tables pushed together. In this corner over here, we'll have the cake. This corner over here, this will be for gifts. And then we will have the food. It'll be buffet style over here. On the other side, we will have the DJ here. And then down in this area, in the bar area, will obviously be the bar. And then we will be sure to have two tables in here because while we're taking photos, we're going to push the cocktail hour over here. So they can come here, get their cocktails, and then we'll have the appetizers out here. And then just depending on what the weather is like, if it's not raining and it's warm enough, people can also come outside. So if it's warm enough, we'll have some cocktail tables outside here too, and they can just go all the way along the patio. Hi y'all, what's up? It is Friday, December 14th, 1:30. I just got off of work. I apologize in advance if my energy is a little low and not at its normal capacity, but this has been the most stressful week. It has been so stressful. I've been working all week at the salon, so packed to the max because, you know, before holiday time. And now we are 2 weeks out, and it is just like boom, 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 back to back. So as soon as I wake up, I work wedding stuff. So I've had to meet with the photographers, nail down the decor. We still have 60 people that have not RSVP'd, and the RSVP date is on a Monday. Right now, I'm about to go pick up the table linen, and then on tomorrow, I work all day long. Then I have to go to a birthday party, and then on Sunday, I need to go pick up a few more things for the arrangement. It's just a lot of stuff going on right now. Had ran into an issue with our bartender, so now we have to find new ones. It's just a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and go right now to the showroom so I can pick up the linen and all that other jazz. So you guys are coming along with me. Alright, so let me tell y'all what happened, because yesterday the ish hit the fan. So I'm typically off on Thursdays. Marilla took off on Thursday. I worked a little bit, and then we had to go get our marriage license, right? Because you can't get married without that. So we have to go uptown. Uptown's about 20 minutes. The only reason why it's 20 minutes is just because, like, give or take traffic or whatnot. We live in Charlotte, North Carolina, so we have to go to the Mecklenburg County Courthouse. So we have a train. So we decided, you know what, let's just park and ride. So we park at the train, and then we'll ride it all the way uptown. We get off the train, walk to the courthouse. We get there about 2:30, and we are not allowed to get our marriage license because you have to get your marriage license in the city that you are having your ceremony, in the state that you're having the ceremony. We ain't know that. So I am just kind of like, are you kidding me? So the ceremony is in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Where I live in North Carolina, but I live right on the border. So I can come out of my complex and go down not even 2 miles, and boom, I'm in South Carolina. And then the venue is only about 20 minutes away from where I live. So now I'm just kind of like, are you kidding me? Because time is precious. I'm working every day next week. Marilla's working every day next week. And get this, the York County Courthouse is 45 minutes away. So we got to get our marriage license. That was yesterday's fiasco, and I want it to melt. I want it to cry. I want it to break down, but I didn't. So yeah. Back home, picked out all the table linens. Now I was gonna go to Dollar Tree and get the vases for the centerpieces, but 3 o'clock school traffic, like around here between the hours of 3 and 7, good luck, you're gonna be stuck in traffic. So I have decided to come home and just relax because I am so exhausted, and I know when I'm exhausted like this, I don't sleep, I start stressing, and it's a great way for me to get sick. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of stuff on the computer and then go to sleep. So we are going to end this vlog here. I actually remembered to end the vlog. We're going to end it here, and I'll see you guys in, well, let me think. Will there be another one? Yeah, there'll be another one, I believe. Either way, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.